Hi everybody, welcome to Hamilton Heights. Today I'll be showing you a large one-bedroom apartment at Edgecombe Avenue. Let's walk around. This apartment has been recently renovated. We got hardwood floors and high ceilings. To our right is the bathroom. Now we are going to see the living area and kitchen. This apartment has an open plan kitchen, which means the kitchen is integrated with the living area. All this is the living area. As we can see, the agency manager has sent somebody to do some work in the apartment. These are the appliances. This kitchen has dishwasher. And that's the entrance. Right here is the bedroom. It has access to a lot of light with 2 windows. This is an elevator building. The apartment is on the 3rd floor. Also, the building has a laundry facility. And the C train is only a few blocks away. The A and 1 trains are in a walking distance. If you have any questions about this place, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adribel Ruiz, and thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.